Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Max, formerly HBO Max, on your Samsung Smart TV, follow these step-by-step instructions to start streaming premium content. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV and press the home button on your remote to access the main menu. Step 2. Navigate to the Samsung App Store, which is typically found on the home screen or in the Smart Hub section. Step 3. Use the search function to find the Max app. Type Max in the search bar and select the official application from the results. Step 4. Download and install the Max app on your Samsung TV. Wait for the installation to complete before proceeding. Step 5. Open the Max app once installation is finished. You'll see a welcome screen with options to sign in or create an account. Step 6. Select Sign In, and an activation code will appear on your TV screen. Keep this screen visible for the next steps. Step 7. Using a computer or mobile device, visit the Max activation website at max.com/activate or the URL displayed on your TV screen. Step 8. Enter the activation code shown on your Samsung TV and sign in with your Max account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one during this process. Your TV will automatically refresh and you can begin watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.